Okay. Hello, guys. Hello, all of you guys. Of course, as usual, I'm on time. 10 minutes late, but it's okay. That I can manage. That I guess you guys are pretty much used to it. So, how you been? What's up? And what's up to the special mention to the Yaria team, the Yaria fans, the Manan fans, or Parth fans, or Neeti fans, or Manik and Nandini fans, or the show's fans. So yeah, a big shout out to all of them because it's on this special occasion that I'm here, which is 21st of July. Yes, and that is guess what? Guess what is it? What is it? I'm sure you guys know it, of course. It's Kaisi Hai Yaariyan turns 10 years, 10 basically, and today is the day where back in 2014, 2014 में हमने इस शो की शुरुआत की थी called कैसी है यारियाँ season 1, and we never knew that we would reach so far and it would give us such beautiful and wonderful memories throughout our lives, in our profession, in our personal life as well. So we have been through many ups and downs in these last 10 years, a decade. एंड यार डेकेड में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है यार, मतलब आप कहाँ से कहाँ चले जाते हो. आई एम श्योर बहुत लोग यहाँ पर जिन्होंने कैसी यारियाँ शो देखा है वो स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, उस दौरान उन्होंने ये शो देखा था. ऐसे मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ है, बहुत दफ़ा हुआ है जहाँ पर मैं मुलाकात करता हूँ वेर एवर आई गो पब्लिक प्लेसेस में, एंड देन पीपल टेल मी दैट आई यूज्ड टू वॉच योर शो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय स्कूल, व्हेन आई वाज इन 9th grade, 8th grade, 10th grade or 12th grade. And it was more like a high school teenage show, obviously, and I myself was going through that period, going through that age, so I could very much relate to the character and also to you people, and that's how I am sure that you guys related to the show so much. So thank you so much. And yeah, and so far I am sure कि मतलब 10 साल में बहुत कुछ बदल गया होगा मेरी ज़िंदगी में, एंड आई एम श्योर आपकी ज़िंदगी में भी बहुत कुछ बदला होगा, बिकॉज 10 साल में आप यार जो स्कूल में थे वो आप कॉलेज में आ गए, कॉलेज पास आउट करके आप अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी बिजी हो गए होंगे, है ना. एंड अगर आप पहले से ही अपने ऑक्यूपेशन या प्रोफेशन को कर रहे होंगे या शुरुआत में आए होंगे उस दौरान, तो अब जाके आपको वो सक्सेस मिला होगा, वो सेटलमेंट मिली होगी, वो एक कंटेंटमेंट मिली होगी आपके प्रोफेशन के ज़रिए, जैसे मुझे मिली है, बिकॉज दैट वाज द स्टार्ट ऑफ माय शो. एंड टुडे हियर आई एम आफ्टर 10 years. My God, it's been a long journey, and it's been a wonderful journey, and they say time just flies, and yes, that's exactly how it's been with me, and I'm sure with all of you guys, that how time has flown, and it's been 10 years, 10 long years for this Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and yeah, it's been a very crazy journey. So firstly, to start with, I obviously want to thank every one of you for giving me the all sort of love and admiration, and not only to me but also to all the actors from the show, including of course Neeti, Nandini, and of course Nyonika. And yes, guess what, guys? Neeti was the first person to wish me today. As in, like, morning 9 a.m. she texted me happy 10 to both of us. So yeah, it was a very cute and sweet gesture of hers. And yeah, I hope Neeti, you're doing pretty well. And I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to actually read out all the names over here, but yes. To start with, I would actually want to just try to cut the cake with you guys here, pretty much. Yes. So happy 10 to Kaisi Hai Yaariyan and to the Geo people. Yeah. Sure. Cheers. Okay. Yes, so we're almost done with the cake cutting ceremony. Now, I would just like to tell you people that there were few requests from all you people requesting a meetup or requesting a meetup with Neeti or the production people or Yaria people. But unfortunately, given the circumstances, if you're not aware of it, today by far has been one of those fewer days in Mumbai where it's raining like cats and dogs and it's raining like crazy. So if you're watching news, you guys will get to know that literally there is a storm outside. And although I'm supposed to go for an event tonight, so which I am pretty much doubtful, I still don't know whether I'm I would be able to go. But मैं देखते हैं अगर आसमान साफ रहा, मौसम ठीक रहा तो then why not? But yes, apart from that, there were few requests from a lot of fans who wanted to meet and greet and personally cut a cake or celebrate 10 years of Yaria with me. So, but unfortunately, that wasn't working out because of, again, like I said, the weather itself was not helpful. और मुझे याद है कि 10 साल पहले भी जब हम शूट कर रहे थे इसी दिन और इसी दिन के आसपास जब हम कैसी है यारिया सीज़न 1 शूट कर रहे थे, तो उस समय भी बहुत बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत 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 क्रेजी वाली बारिश हो रही थी. एंड the challenging part for us was to shoot in those rains and also not to show obviously that rains in the episode. So we have to make sure that we are pretty much dried up, we are not wet from anywhere, our costumes are well decked up, neat, sleek, and of course our hair, everything, makeup, and it's properly done. So it was it was fun and an experience for all of us in Kaisi Yaria season 1, and yeah, it was a fun show. And so here I am now. Let's read out some messages if you guys wanted to share some wishes. So yeah, ये मौसम की बारिश of course. Manan Vibes, all the best for your Bollywood debut. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I'll come back to that Bollywood debut, of course. That we need to speak of. I need to address. So yeah. Please reply simply Chanchali. Hi. ये शो सबसे बेस्ट है. Thank you Ashwini. Thank you so much. We are so excited for Ghudchadi. Thank you. Pushpanjali, hello Parth, hello, hi. People asking me to add Neeti. Well, यार मेरे to be honest मेरी नीति से कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं हुई इसको लेकर, like live chat को लेकर. So I really don't know how to do that, and I'm not too sure whether she will be there to accept or something. But yeah, apart from that, congratulations Mystic. Thank you. We always loved you as Manic. Thank you so much. Congratulations on your new movie. Thank you. Someone asking me Dubai music video with Neeti when? Yes, even I'm surprised, yaar. I thought that the video would be out very soon, but like I had a word with the production team, and they said that mostly in August itself it will release. Yeah, so looking forward for that also. It's a very good song and very nicely shot by Vijay Ganguly sir, and we had so much of fun in Dubai. I lost my phone over there also. Very experience. It was an experience for me to shoot over there. Ask Neeti to join. I don't know how to join. Farzana, you guys ask Neeti to join, please, because I am very technologically challenged, if you could say. I don't know how to do all those settings and add people over here, everything. I really don't know. I'm very clueless when it comes to all that. I'm sorry for that. Please say hi Debarnini. Hi. Really, that's okay. Tauba, will you come to Pakistan? Any plannings? Unfortunately, abhi to we can't. We are not able to. But soon, agar sab kuch theek raha, if there is everything good, all the relations are good between both the countries, then of course, why not? One day for sure. Yeah. Good luck for Ghudchadi. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Manan. KYY season 6, when is it coming? Arey guys, haven't you guys had enough of it now? 5 season, 10 saal. Come on guys, give me a break. Come on. मैं तो फेडअप हो चुका हूँ, एंड आई एम श्योर नीति भी फेडअप हो गई, एंड आई एम श्योर राइटर्स भी फेडअप हो गए, लेकिन आप लोग अब तक फेडअप कैसे नहीं हुए? या बट आई एम एक्चुअली, इफ यू गाइज हैपन टू सी द शो, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज नथिंग एल्स टू शो, है ना, इन द शो स्टोरी वाइज देयर इज नथिंग एल्स टू शो, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग वी बीन कवर्ड सो फार, एंड अभी तो सिर्फ यही बचा हुआ है, किचन पॉलिटिक्स, आफ्टर मैरिज, बच्चा होना एंड ऑल दैट, and that is something obviously not even I would enjoy working on, or even not even Neeti, or not the writers, or not even you guys. So I'm sure that whatever the age that needs to be covered with Manik and Nandini in Kaisi Hai Yaariyan in those season 5 has been covered. The issues, the relationship issues, mental health issues, pregnancy issues. So yeah, we've been covered so far all good issues and topics everywhere on the show itself. Thank you, Laleen. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Kishwar. Thank you so much. Thank you for always being there, Nyonika, my mother. And how are you? I hope you're doing great. And it's always so wonderful to catch up with you. Always, whenever we bump into each other, accidentally or not so accidentally. But I'll see you soon. Yeah. Cheers. Love you. Okay. So who else? निशा कनोजी, हाय 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 हाय. ओके, हाय. मेरे पे ध्यान नहीं देते, संध्या. लो, तुम्हारे पे ध्यान दे दिया मैंने, तुम्हारे तुम पर. ऑफिशियल नंदी, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड यार, आई एम गुड. खुशबू, प्लीज से हाय. या खुशबू, हे हाय 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 हाय. श्रद्धा, देयर आई टुक योर नेम. ओके, हु एल्स? Neeti and Parth chemistry superb. Thank you, Sarita. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys that you've always loved the show. Prachi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ignore कर रहा है Parth. Isha Rathi, I'm not ignoring you. There, I took your name. Yes, Isha Rathi. Okay, Sucharita. Hi, 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 hi. Okay, hi Vidhi. Hi, hi, hi Divya. Okay, so guys, obviously it will take a lot of time to actually take your names out there. But yes, apart from that, my name Tanu. Okay, Manan. Hi, Tanu. Hi. Apart from that, I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart to always been there for me, or to Neeti, or everyone on the show. And it's been 10 years, man. 10 years. I'm sure you guys must have grown up, and some of you must have gotten married. Some of you must have already had kids. And me, I am just becoming awesome day by day. Yeah, I am still not married, of course, fortunately enough. Well, fortunately means obviously the singles will understand why is it so fortunate to be single and not get married. And of course I would understand how married people are, but yeah, no offense. I'm sure everyone's whoever has gotten married by now is enjoying their lives. And yeah, even Krizan, for that matter, has gotten married. Alia, she's gotten married. So yeah, I'm sure she's doing well. And yeah, who else? Can you show some Manik expression? Manik expression, I don't know what Manik expression were. They were not something that I would actually remember. But yeah, something like this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. It's been 10 years. Yeah, come on. But still, I tried my best. Okay. Thank you. Okay, what else? Lakshmi. Hi, 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 hi. Shruti Chauhan. Reply karto is sir. I love you. Thank you, thank you. My mom is very good. My mom is superb. And please plan a trip to Australia. Yes, Aisha. Yes, definitely, definitely. You did your best. Thank you, thank you. A lot of people don't know that I actually speak Marathi, that I belong to Pune. Obviously, people know that I belong to Pune, but I am a Maharashtrian. People are not aware of it. तर आता मी प्रयत्न करणार आहे की मी इंटरव्ह्यूजमध्ये जास्त मराठी बोलू, कारण का खूप लोकांना याचं काय जाणीव नाही आहे की मी मराठी बोलू शकतो आणि चांगली बोलू शकतो, स्पष्टपणे बोलू शकतो. तर माझा आता प्रयत्न असेल की मी जास्तीत जास्त मराठी बोलू. आणि ऑफकोर्स मला त्याचा गर्व आहे मराठी असण्याचा. पण कुठं ना कुठं मी सारखं आपल्याला रिलेट नाही करू शकलो. मे बी बिकॉज आय वॉज ब्रॉट अप इन अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल हॉस्टेल लाईफ जिथं वेगळे वेगळे भाषांचे वेगळे वेगळे कास्टचे लोक होते आणि तिथं हिंदी वॉज द प्रायमरी लँग्वेज. तर माझ्यासाठी ते मराठी बोलणं एवढं सोपं नव्हतं, पण हा मी घरी माझ्या आईवडिलांशी का माझ्या फॅमिलीशी मराठीच बोलायचो. सो वेन एवर आय स्पीक मराठी that would be in Pune or it would be with my family. So there you go. Yes. Now apart from that, I really like your Rimjim song. Yes, Barish one. Thank you, Lalin. Thank you so much. I also like that song. Yeah, it's a very lovely song. I think I should put out some stories on that song also. Even that and even the ye wala Manisha Rane wala Barish ke aane se. I think even that is a fantastic song by Shreya Ghoshal and so yeah, I think both songs are pretty nice and I think I should put it out there यार, क्योंकि क्या है ना, बारिश इतनी खूबसूरत हो रही है, मौसम इतना सुहाना हो रहा है बाहर, और अगर आपके यहाँ पर बारिश नहीं हो रही तो आई एम श्योर, आई होप कि हो जाए, और अगर बहुत हो गई है तो आई एम श्योर और आई होप कि कम हो जाए, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पर तो बहुत हो रही है. मुंबई में अगर आपने न्यूज़ पे देखा होगा और अगर आपकी आज की खबर देखी होगी तो आज तो एकदम तूफान सा मचा हुआ है मुंबई में, है ना. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई है कि बाहर निकलने को बहुत मुश्किलात हो रही है अभी फ़िलहाल. आज के दिन संडे हैज़ बीन वेरी दिस थिंग. एनीवे, सो कमिंग बैक टू ओके या नाउ कमिंग बैक टू एन इम्पॉर्टेंट thing that I wanted to address with you guys is Ghurchadi. That my first debut Hindi feature film that is coming soon on 9th of August, and yes, I'm super excited and super nervous for it, and also I need all your blessings and all your support for it. And right now this week itself, so the news is that the trailer along with the teaser along with the poster will be out this week itself. So coming starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will get to see the poster, you will get to see the trailer, followed by the song of the film. So I hope you really support the film, and also I hope that you really enjoy the trailer, and of course you will get an idea of what the subject of the film is, of how what are the characters in the film, or how am I looking in the film, or you guys will get an idea whether the film is looking good or bad. ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेलर से ही आपको सब कुछ पता चलता है, हम भी ट्रेलर ही देखते हैं और ट्रेलर से आपको बहुत सारी आइडियाज़ भी मिल जाती है कि पिक्चर कैसी होने वाली है. सो इवन आई डू वॉच ट्रेलर्स एंड दैट्स हाउ आई जज द फिल्म, और दैट्स हाउ आई गेट टू सी, and I can make a fair judgment that whether the movie would be nice to watch or no. So trailer is very important in today's aspect, of course, we all know that. But yes, I'm very excited for the trailer of Ghurchadi, which would be releasing this week itself, along with the poster. So yeah, poster will be releasing before and then followed by the trailer. So are you guys excited? Because I am, and I'm looking forward for it. And hi Nidhi, how are you? Yes, Miss Producer. I hope you're doing good, and we shall catch up. इतनी बरसात में जो हमारी मुंबई वालों की जो लगी पड़ी है अभी फ़िलहाल तो, बट आई होप दैट हमारे फिल्म के प्रमोशंस के लिए ऐसी सिचुएशन ना हो और स्टॉर्म्स वुड बी क्लियर बाय देन, है ना. Thank you, Palash. Thank you so much, Kilit. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. And of course, I will see you very soon. And you have to meet me because it's been a long time that we haven't catched up. और तू घूम ही रहा है यहाँ, please तू आजा और मिल मुझसे, है ना. So yeah, thank you, Bharat. Bharat. Okay. Please take my name. It's Zeel. Okay. Hi, Ishita. Okay. Path love from Hyderabad. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you. All the best for your movie. So yeah, so yes, guys. Some events that are being happening right now over here in the upcoming week would be, like I said, Ghurchadi's poster followed by the trailer, release of one song, then release of another song, and then in August, hopefully. There comes a time where we usually try to travel to promote our film in different cities. So that's there will be few cities where we'll be traveling to, and whatever cities that we travel to, the names of the cities would be given to you in advance. So if you guys get a chance, or if you guys please, if you guys get some time, please remove some time for us and come and meet me. And yeah, I'll be happy to see you guys wherever I come to, different cities that is. So the list of the cities will be given to you very soon, and you guys will come to know where I'm traveling and where are we going for Ghurchadi promotion. And then we can meet up over there and have some good Punjabi moves, because that's the film all about. Yes, baby. So yeah. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in different cities for Ghurchadi promotions very soon, before the release, that is. Apart from that, someone's asking me what am I drinking. Well, I am drinking Americano, that is coffee, of course, to wake me up. It's a Sunday, it's a lazy Sunday, and you just don't want to step out right now because it's too stormy and there is so much of heavy rainfall outside. So I can't even tell you, I can't even describe. It's like raining like cats and dogs, and I'm supposed to go out right now for an event, but पता नहीं वो जा पाऊँ या नहीं. Bicep flex करके दिखाओ. Okay, here you go. This, yeah. चलो इतना तो बनता है. वो कहते हैं ना, if you have it, flaunt it. So yeah, why not? So there you go. Okay, my name take Jeril. Hi. Thank you. So a lot of people over here, especially Yaria fans, have actually told me or mentioned that they don't watch anything else on TV, or they haven't watched anything else on television, especially Indian serials or Indian TV shows. But Yaria has been a very special show for them. So I'm sure it has, obviously it has touched me also, and it has been the most vital, most important part and most special part of my life. Obviously it's been a decade. 10 साल यार guys, come on, 10 साल आप लोगों ने मुझे झेला है, मैंने आपको झेला है ना. But yeah, on a serious note, it's been a wonderful journey, and it's always fun to be with you guys together, and how time flies, you don't even realize. I mean, there was a time when back in 2014, 10 years back, we started this show with no expectations, zero expectations, and we were just doing this show because we were fairly new. We wanted to act, and we wanted to see ourselves on television or see ourselves on MTV, of course, back then, and of course now also. It's the cool, I would say, our generation show, where people could actually watch the younger generation, the whole high school kids falling in love, being into relationships, having some sort of betrayals, friendships, breakups. So that sort of show that we actually did, and we tapped on all those broader topics that were to be discussed back then. So yeah, we were very proud of the show, and I still say that I'm very much glad and I'm grateful to be a part of such a wonderful show, because all thanks and credit goes to the writers, of course, Richa Yamini. She's done a fantastic and fabulous job putting the show together, putting the Manan chemistry together. So yeah, there you go. A big shout out to Richa Yamini, and of course BBC Productions for handling us, for tolerating us, me and Nandini, of course, for the longest time, for over a decade. Yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, apart from that, I would say मतलब क्या है यार, इतना आज भी मुझे यारिया के लिए इतनी अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, एंड आज भी मुझे इतने मैसेजेस आते हैं. स्पेशली आई स्टिल रीड अ लॉट ऑफ DMs वेयर पीपल एक्चुअली कीप सेइंग कि आई recently started watching Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, or I just switched on to the show, and I'm so hooked on to. Some people actually say that I've watched this show like 7 times on repeat mode. Some people have said it that this show has been a game changer in my life, has changed my life, has inspired me. And so yeah, a lot of people, it's been an inspiration when it comes to this show. This show has been an inspiration to them when it comes to friendship, when it comes to falling in love, when it comes to having expectations from your boyfriend, or I would say girlfriend, both. So yeah, and my hair as usual is always a mess. Anyway, no, bad. Okay, this, yeah, fine. Yeah, so I keep doing all this, making sure that I look thoda sa decent enough, presentable enough to you guys. But anyway, read the questions. What are the questions? आपकी life changing आया है. Nice है. ज्योति बोल दो. ये ज्योति लो तुम्हारा नाम लिया. Love from Chennai. Hi, no expectations from any guy. Thank you. Ishita, no, of course you should have expectations. We all should have expectations from our would-be partners. So yeah, thank you. Come to Chandigarh. Yes, रसिका जी बिल्कुल हम आएंगे सरदार, बिल्कुल, और आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे और आप बिल्कुल हमें कॉफ़ी पे ले जाना, है ना? See you soon. Ishita, thank you. So guys, I wanted to ask you that it's been 10 years for me in this particular industry, and of course, but do you see a lot of change in me as a person, or as an artist, or physically also, as my face has it changed, like for good or for bad? Please give your feedback and your comments. I would love to read it. I would love to go through it, and I would love to understand what has actually changed in me, or I would like to know that what you guys have observed in me, or something that even I'm not aware of it. So please start writing, comment. I would love to read out a few if I've made some changes in this decade, over a decade. इस 10 साल में मेरे अंदर क्या फ़र्क आया, महसूस हुआ है आप लोगों को. So yeah, handsome before and now handsome too. Thank you so much. You're evergreen. Wow. Patience level got better. Okay, I appreciate that. Yes, with experience, patience level got better. You've become an inspiration to us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi Nitin, how are you? Nothing has changed, seriously. Ditto, same you look, except for the body. Okay, you mean this? Yeah? Huh? Okay. Yeah. What future plans regards to acting? भाई मेरी फिल्म आ रही है घुड़चड़ी, संजय दत्त के साथ है 9 अगस्त को. So please, the trailer would be out this week itself, and of course I will send you the trailer, and please you can watch it. Yeah, and then give your feedback and give your support also, and give all your love possible, because we need all those blessings here. Please. Thank you so much. Neha bol do hi. Neha. Hi Aanchal, how are you? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're still making reels, you know. Hi Shreya. Thank you, bhai. Thank you so much. Okay, love from Satara. Thank you. I'm so excited to watch your debut film. Yes, even I'm excited. So, guys, I had asked you if any sort of change that you guys have seen in me in this last decade or so. Please, I would love to see. Please do more interesting work as such. Yes, I would definitely. Do you have Telegram? No, I don't have Telegram. I'm not on Telegram. Namia, hi. You are best. Thank you, Ritika. Please say Mandeep. Yes, I'm from UK. Big fan. Thank you. You have grown wonderfully as an actor. I hope so. Thank you so much, Kora. Thank you, Kora Gose. You matured as an actor, Shivam. Yes, thank you so much. We want to see you and Erica, ma'am. Well, of course, Erica, I've been watching her on Instagram, and although unfortunately we're not in touch, but yes, definitely, given a chance, if we have some other project, even though a music video, why not, you know? What else? Yeah, one thing that I wanted to address over here, that I got a lot of messages regarding Snapchat, that there is someone who is on my behalf messaging you guys and talking to you guys, and you guys are not finding it okay, and you guys have complained it to me. So let me tell you guys that I only have one ID, that is Parth Samthan 11. That is my Snapchat ID. Other than that, whatever ID that you see, Parth.Samthan or Parth Samthan, whatever ID, whatever you see is completely fake. It's not me. It's not me who you're talking to. So please delete or stop talking to or block them, or even you can actually complain about them, है ना? So my ID is, again I'm specifying, Parth Samthan 11. That's it. As simple as that. No space, no @, nothing of that sort. As clear as that. Okay. Thank you, Ahutan. Thank you so much. You're a good human being. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, mere bhai. You controlled your anger. Patience level has increased. Yes, thank you so much. When are you coming to Jaipur? Priya, I am coming to Jaipur. I think I'm hoping that I should come to Jaipur for Gurchari promotions. So yeah, you guys will get to know about the itinerary, about our plan a week in advance, so that we can come and meet you guys. So guys, please come, shower all your love. Please share your support to the film, and I'm sure you would love the song Punjabi Munde, because it's been sung by none other than legendary Sukhbir Paji, and I love him. He's a wonderful human being, and I had fantastic time shooting with him, and of course shooting with Master Ji, aka Ganesh Acharya Ji, the entire industry address him as Master Ji because of his experience and because of the kind of respect that we have for him. And of course he's so talented, and I had the wonderful opportunity to work with him. So yeah, as an artist, I had too much of fun to work under him and to learn from him the expressions, the dance moves, and to be the proper so-called typical Punjabi Munda. So I'm sure that you guys will love the song. I'm waiting for you guys to watch the song very soon. It'll be out. So yeah, but before that, this week, again, I'm letting you guys know the trailer and the poster would be out very soon this week itself. First, the poster and then the trailer. So I would definitely want the whole sort of feedback from you guys. Waiting for a lot of support and wishes from you guys. Yeah. So guys, I think I'm pretty much done over here. The special occasion for me over here coming on live was, of course, Kaisi Hai Yariyan turning 10. Yes. So yeah, that was the special occasion for me to come over here and spend some time with you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for always being there, for always liking the show, loving the character, and of course not only liking me but liking Neeti as well, for liking us as a pair, for liking the Manan chemistry. Yeah, so I'm sure that you guys have enjoyed the show, and if you guys haven't watched the show, please watch the show. I'm sure you will love the show, and you guys will understand why the show has reached so far. Over a decade, it's been 10 years, and still people want to watch the show, and how. So yeah, I've been glad and grateful enough to be a part of such a show. So thank you so much for making me a part of your beautiful journey and liking the show and loving the show. And thank you so much for liking me and Neeti as well, and for liking all the characters on the show. And of course, I will try my best. Next time I will ask Neeti to come live if that is possible, or if we guys meet up, we will definitely catch up. Yes, the other day before yesterday, I met Karan Jotwani. So yeah, I met him, and he told me about Kaisi Hai Yariyan turning 10. So he pretty much remembers it. So he's a wonderful gem of a person. He's always supported our show, and yeah. So definitely I will speak with Neeti to come live. If that works out well, so then you guys will able to watch us together on live Instagram. And apart from, can you wish me, Azmina? Hi, thank you. Can you wish me happy birthday? Is it your birthday? Thank you. Or if it's not your birthday, if it's an exam, all the very best. Yeah. So again, thank you so much for having me, and it's been a pleasure, like always, talking to you guys and spending some quality time with you guys and sharing some wonderful memories of my show, of the past 10 years that I have worked on Kaisi Hai Yariyan. And of course, this fantastic show. And different seasons of it, and having different sort of memories, and going through different sorts of journeys in my life, through highs and lows. And of course, you guys have also been out of school, out of your college, out of your profession, and now I'm sure some of you have gotten married also. So yeah, life has changed, and how in these 10 years, I'm sure it has been a wonderful journey for all of us. And thank you so much for having me. And again, important announcement, my film is supposedly coming this week, so trailer would be out. Please give your feedback and your valuable review on it, you would say. And I'm sure, I hope that you guys like the trailer also, and as much as I have liked it, and you like the song also as much as I have liked it, and I hope you give equal amount of love to Ghurchadi as you've given to Kaisi Ye Yariyan. So thank you so much for having me, and love you, all of you. Yes, thank you so much for having me over here, and love you. And I will see you very soon, because yes, I will get busy with all the promotions, and you will get to see a lot of me in the next 20 days, I would say, because I would be like very much active socially. I have to be, yeah, I have to be. People are telling me that I have to be seen everywhere. That is the whole protocol of promoting your film. So yeah, I will try my best, although I'm a very aloof from social media, but yes, I have to keep myself active. So yes, now I am with all my energy and positivity and all my strength. I am looking forward for the release of Ghurchadi, and thank you for having me on this special occasion where Kaisi Ye Yariyan turns 10. Signing off. Cheers. Love you. Okay.